Are you employed and still struggling with filing your 2025 tax returns? Filing employment income returns is now simpler than ever on iTax. Let me show you how. So let's now jump into the process. So first thing you do, go to the iTax website. That is www.kra.go.ke, and then you log in using your KRA PIN and your password. Go to Returns, then select Simplified Returns. Then choose ITR or Income Tax Resident for employment income only. Confirm that the return period is correct, that is January to December 2025. If you haven't filed your previous years, make sure you file them first so that you can be up to date. And then click Next. So this will take you directly to Section T, the final section where all your tax details are automatically filled in. Here, you'll be able to see all your deductions for the year, that is including pension, the affordable housing levy, social health insurance, and personal relief. But if you want to ensure everything is correct, make sure you review each section. Starting with Section A, under Return Information, confirm whether your employer has provided you with benefits such as car, a mortgage, or life insurance. If any of these apply, then select Yes. Under Section F, confirm that the gross pay indicated is correct. Remember, all this information can be found in your P9 form that is provided by your employer. Then under Section M, confirm that the tax deducted, that is payee, matches the figure in your P9. Then Section Q doesn't require much input, so leave it at that. Then finally, confirm the details in Section T against your P9 form. If everything is in order, go ahead and submit your return. If you notice a negative figure, it means you have overpaid tax and are eligible for a refund by the Kenya Revenue Authority. So KRA does process refunds for every overpaid employment income tax. So you can go ahead and apply for a refund through iTax. Also, I'll be sharing a separate video to guide you step by step on how you can apply for that refund. So if you get a positive figure, it means you have tax payable to KRA. However, as an employee earning employment income only, you are typically not expected to have additional tax to pay. So in such a case, it is important to first confirm with your employer why there is unpaid tax before proceeding to submit your return. You will then see a confirmation message that your return has been successfully submitted. You can download the acknowledgement receipt as proof of your filing. So I noticed that some people have employment income and they also have a side hustle that they got a withholding tax. So if you also have withholding tax together with your employment income, the filing process is slightly different. I'll be showing you the correct step-by-step method in the next video on how you can go ahead and file that return. So stay tuned. I hope this guide has made the process easier for you to follow and understand. If you find that there is tax you need to pay to KRA, I've already done a separate video showing how to generate a payment slip and how to complete the payment either through M-Pesa or via bank. You'll find the link in the comment section below. So if you face any challenges when filing your tax return, you can always consult a tax professional to guide you and make sure everything is done correctly. I also do offer tax filing services at an affordable fee. So if you would like assistance, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp number 0750-085-478 and I will be ready and happy to help you. If this video was helpful, feel free to share it with someone else who might also benefit from it. You can also comment below so that I can see that at least you have gotten the help that you need. And don't forget to subscribe for more simplified tax tips and the step-by-step guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.